Yeah, guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Siba here again. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment, share, like the video with your friends. Yeah, today's video I come to talk about Shatta Wale and Wendy Shay. Shatta Wale and Wendy Shay are allegedly dating, according to some Twitter CIDs. Yeah, according to some Twitter CIDs. You know, say Father's Day, everybody wishing Poppy happy Father's Day and things. But when they go post in then while a video be say how them they celebrate them Father's Day, you see the vibe. So this one I got a lot of people talking, say like they chop them myself or something. But shall I get the video for here? Before I go show the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, tell a comment. If you subscribe, it go motivate me, make a do child video. So Charlie make I show you guys the video. Then I'll be right back.